Today we're making a delicious restaurant-style chicken biryani. It's full of flavor and surprisingly easy to make. Here's everything you'll need. The full list of ingredients is displayed on screen. Heat the oil and fry 3 large sliced onions until they're beautifully golden brown. Add the chicken, yogurt, tomatoes, ginger garlic paste, and spices. Cook until the chicken becomes tender and the masala is rich and fragrant. Layer the cooked basmati rice over the chicken. Then add fresh mint, coriander, and green chilies. Drizzle saffron milk over the rice. Cover the pot tightly and let the biryani cook on low heat. The biryani is now perfectly cooked, with fluffy rice and tender, flavorful chicken. Serve hot with refreshing mint raita, fresh salad, and a squeeze of lemon for the perfect meal. Thank you for watching. For more delicious recipes like this, follow our channel, My Recipe Diary.